quarter begins with the Vikings holding the football. They'll come up on a 3rd and 4 here to start things out. Bradford from the gun on 3rd down. This is Johnson. He's got it. And he's going to have the first down, yardage to the 35. Fresh set of downs here.
Would it be safe to say that as precise as routes are supposed to be run in the NFL, maybe they're not quite as precise in college ball?
That's accurate, yeah.
And I think we saw a college route in the NFL there. Just find the soft spot, find the dead zone, and find the first down. And that's what he just did. That's a good play by the guys on the defensive side of the ball. Held him to a gain of 2. And that changes the playbook a little bit now for the guy calling plays. 2nd and 8. Now he's got to probably think about going to the air instead of maybe staying with the ground game.
Another 2-yard gain there, but they'll need to do better this time. It's 3rd and 6.
I do know from experience that when you slow down someone's running game.
And the Chiefs are going to signal for and be granted another timeout. That's their 2nd, so they'll have 1 remaining here in this 2nd quarter. We'll be right back. Deep. Sinking pass. They've got the nickel set out on 3rd and 6. Bradford now. Looking for Diggs, and it's intercepted. Picked off by the free safety, Eric Berry. And the return stops just a few yards shy of midfield.